subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Redmi 13C back in December last year, the company is now reported to launch the successor of it as Redmi 13C, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by MySmartPrice. According to leak renders, the Redmi 13C will feature a flat screen with slightly thick bezels on the edges, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a triple camera set up in a squarish module at the top left corner, along with the LED flash, and there is text beside the camera module reveals that the smartphone will feature a 50-megapixel primary camera. The volume rockers along with the power button is located on the right edge, while on the left appears to have an ejectable SIM slot. The bottom of the phone is seen to have a speaker grill, microphone, and a Type-C charging port, and at the top it has a 3.5mm headphone jack. The leak renders also suggest the phone to come in light green, black, and blue color options. Apart from this, there is no other details of Redmi 13C smartphone has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Redmi 13C smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.